So we're leaving Vienna and going to Budapest. And here in Budapest and ready to explore the city. So the hotel was a little bit sketchy from the outside. When we got inside, oh my Jesus, it was so nice. Everything was so modern and well laid out. The furniture looks like it's straight from a hotel. You can see as we enter the bedroom over here, it has the green aesthetic, the green candles and green curtains. And oh, that's me over here. There's also a red bedroom mirroring the green bedroom. It also has the red curtains and nice red pillows. It's super spacious. The ceiling is 10 foot. And we only paid like 530 euros for 3 days, which is really good, which was the same price as the other hotel. So here we have the bathroom. There's 2 bathrooms in the apartment. One has a shower and a toilet and a washing machine, and the other one only has a toilet. So here's the other bathroom. Yep, there it is. Pretty nice, pretty nice. And yeah, the host actually met us to get us into the apartment, and he sat down with us and gave us a whole review of all of Budapest and all the stuff that tourists usually fall into traps of, and what to do, what not to do, all the nightlife as well as all the pubs and ruins bars. So you can see the map over here. He circled a lot of things and told us a lot of different restaurant names and stuff we could do around the city. Not to use any form of public transportation because you can walk everywhere within 15 minutes. We have to get good currency rates. It was a really great experience. Definitely 10 out of 10, and I would recommend this to anyone staying here. The host is super nice, and yeah. So we decided to eat at La Fabrica near St. Stephen's Basilica, and I got the homemade spaghetti with black squid ink and salmon caviar. Let's see how it is. We also decided to get some lemonades. I got the classic lemonade with orange blossom. My brother got the red berries lemonade, and my dad got the last one at the bottom. The lemonades ended up tasting pretty similar to one another, but they were still pretty good since there was soda infused with them. This is the homemade spaghetti with black squid ink and topped with salmon caviar. My mom got the sea bass. This is my
Seafood pasta.
Seafood pasta. My brother got ribeye. Potatoes. So I've never had the black squid ink before, and it's ended up staining like crazy on my teeth and lips, but it was still pretty good with the salt and the salmon caviar, so I'd rate the meal a 7 out of 10. Oh frick, it's a video. That's all for today, guys. Bye.